Hi friends, and today I'm going to share a very simple pulao recipe which is flavored with season's fresh oranges. The citrusy burst of the orange rice makes it a perfect accompaniment to go with any gravy-based Indian side dishes. So quickly subscribe to my channel and let's get on with making this. As you can see, I've started by preparing the juice and now I'm going to prepare the rice. I've used long grain basmati rice, but you can use any flavorful rice or gobindabog rice here. Simply wash the rice and soak it for 15 to 20 minutes before we start cooking this orange pulao. Meanwhile, we are going to warm up some oil and a tablespoon of ghee in a kadhai. Take a handful of raisins or your choice of nuts and dry fruits here and fry them lightly. Once they have turned golden brown or the raisins have plumped up, take them out. Now discard the soaking water of the rice and add it in the ghee or the leftover oil. Fry it till it becomes fragrant. Be very gentle so that the rice does not break here. I think this is going to take somewhere around 5 to 6 minutes on a very gentle or medium heat. After this, we are going to add the orange juice that we have prepared. Now, you have to remember that the proportion of the rice to the liquid has to be 1:2. So here I have used 2 cups of rice. So I am going to add 4 cups of liquid. Now I could only get 2.5 cups of orange juice, so rest is going to be the water. Add some salt and some sugar if the orange juice is not sweet enough. To add some flavor, I'm going to drop a star anise. Now let's allow it to simmer and cook properly. Once you see that the liquid has evaporated completely or it has been absorbed, take off the lid and give it a very gentle fluff. I'm saying fluff because we don't want the rice to break. This is the stage where you also add your dried fruits and nuts, the raisins that you have prepared earlier. While you can add the nuts in the beginning, but we do not want to add the raisins then because the raisins usually tend to settle in the bottom, and serve it right away, hot out of the pan, along with some delicious gravy based dish. Or you can just enjoy it on its own. It is super flavorful and it is extremely fragrant. Enjoy.